Hi guys, in this video, I will guide you to the steps on how to switch to a creator account or make use of the creator tools on TikTok. So whether you're looking to explore the feature of a creator account or leverage the tools designed for creators, stay tuned as I walk you through the process step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so to get started, just head to your TikTok profile and tap on the three lines located at the top right corner. Now, from the menu that appears, go ahead and choose the Creator Tools option. And now in the Creator Tools on TikTok, you get some cool stats about your videos, like you can see how many people check out your posts, how many new followers you got, and the total number of likes. Plus, there's this neat video analysis for your latest TikToks, and it breaks down stuff like how long people watch your video, what they did while watching, and even the type of people watching. It's like a handy guide to help you understand and improve your TikTok game. So now you may go ahead and explore the creator tools to elevate your TikTok experience. So by diving in, uncover valuable insights, analyze your video performance, and use these tools to enhance the quality and impact of your TikTok content. And that's it. Now you know how to effortlessly switch and navigate to the creator tools on TikTok. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.